with them. And hi everyone, how are you? My name is Adaku and I'm the owner of a company called Dovetailed. This month I launched my brand new sewing subscription boxes and they've been doing so well. I'm so pleased with them and really excited to share with you June's boxes. For those of you who don't know me, I run a company called Dovetailed. It's an online African wax print fabric shop. We sell African fabric in different lengths. We sell it by the yard, we sell it by the half yard, we sell it by the fat quarter. We also sell bundles, fat quarter bundles and half yard bundles, as well as kits, sewing kits, dressmaking kits and bag making kits. I'm also really proud to have published a book in February of this year called Sewing with African Wax Print Fabric, which was a #1 bestseller on Amazon. And on top of all of that, I've recently launched the sewing subscription boxes. There are 3 subscription boxes to choose from. So the Sable Sewing Bee box is really our deluxe range, then the Gazelle dressmaking box, and finally the Flamingo Fabric Box. In each box will be included some fabrics, matching notions, thread, buttons, zips and the like, as well as a special gift. There'll be different gifts each month. And if you subscribe to our deluxe range, the Sable Sewing Bee box, you will also have included in that box one of either a gift card, discount code, or a special offer. With these boxes, you have the choice to either subscribe monthly or bi-monthly, that is to say every other month. So let me now show you the first box. In the Sable Sewing Bee box will be included a 4-yard piece of fabric, a 2-yard piece of fabric, 2 matching threads, an 18-inch matching zip, a 7-inch matching zip. There's some pink in one of these green fabrics, so that would go quite nicely. Some chalk, a 1 meter piece of 1-inch wide elastic, some flower head pins, some machine needles. It's worth changing these sort of as often as you can, particularly I would say after quite a tricky project or part of a project. For example, if you're about to start sewing buttonholes and you haven't changed your needle for a couple of projects, it might be worth changing them at that point. And then also flyer with a little about the business, as well as fabric care instructions, and a link to leave a review if you'd like to leave a review. And then also a thank you card. It just says, thank you, share your unboxing video on social media and tag #Dovetailed London boxes to be in with a chance of winning a £10 gift voucher. So that is separate from the discount code, special offer or gift voucher that will be included in the Sable Sewing Bee box. So in relation to all of the boxes, if you film your unboxing, tag Dovetailed London sewing boxes, the best video will be in with a chance of winning a £10 gift voucher. The second box to show you is the Gazelle dressmaking box. In this box will be included a 3-yard piece of fabric, a 1-yard piece of fabric, 2 matching threads, some chalk, machine needles, a 18-inch zip to match with your fabric, some buttons, a sweet treat, as with the deluxe box, the flyer, as with the deluxe box, a thank you card, and again, if you film the unboxing of your kit, and again, as with the deluxe box, if you film the unboxing of your kit and tag #Dovetailed London sewing boxes, you could be in with the chance of winning a £10 gift voucher. This box is the Flamingo Fabric Box and is the third of our 3 boxes. This is the smallest of our range of boxes, and included in this box is a 2-yard piece of fabric, a 1-yard piece of fabric, a matching 7-inch zip, some machine needles, a matching thread, some chalk, again it would be a contrasting chalk so that the colour shows up on your fabric, a sweet treat, as with the other boxes, a flyer, and again if you film your unboxing you can be in with a chance of winning a £10 gift voucher. Those are the 3 subscription boxes. They will be different each month. The fabric will be different, the notions will be different, the sweet treat will be different. So do consider subscribing. You can of course cancel your subscription at any time simply by going to the Dovetailed website and finding your account and following the steps there. If you haven't subscribed before, then do consider doing so. If you're brand new to sewing, you might want to start out with the Flamingo fabric box. It's a nice entry-level box, shall we say. If you have a bit more experience, then maybe the Gazelle dressmaking box. And for those of you who are so seasoned, you super sewing bees, then why not consider the Sewing Bee box, the Sable Sewing Bee box. So thank you very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!